How to remove password from Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start menu. Click on Settings. In the Settings window, you will see various categories on the left-hand side. Click on the Accounts category. In the Account Settings, click on the Signing Options tab. In the Signing Options menu, you will find various options related to signing to your Windows 11 computer. Look for the Password section. Here you can remove the password by clicking on the Change button. Windows will prompt you to enter your current password for security purposes. Enter your current password and click on the Next button. In the next window, leave the new password and confirm password fields blank. Then click on the Next button. Windows will ask you to confirm the removal of the password. Click on the Finish button. Once you have removed the password, you will no longer be prompted to enter a password during the login process. And that's how you can remove password from Windows 11. Thanks for watching.